I am Satish Suryavanshi. I am maths teacher in Genbas Okonram Mozi Junior College, Erodopani 6. I welcome you all of in maths e-learning session. So now, today we are going to start the new topic, adjoint method. So here, adjoint method. A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A is the formula to find the inverse of matrix by adjoint method. Now find cofactor of matrix. Cofactor of matrix Aij is equals to minus 1 raised to power I plus j into mij. So where I denote the ith row, j denote the jth column. So this is the method to find the inverse of matrix by adjoint method. So now take one example on this. Find inverse of A is equal to matrix 1 3 3 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4 by using adjoint method. By using adjoint method. So now first step, let A is equals to this matrix 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4. Now first find the value of the determinant of A is 1 3 3 1 4 3 1 3 4 is equal to, expand this determinant 1 into bracket, delete first row first column. Now take this product, it is 16 minus 9 minus 3 times, delete first row second column, take product of this minus this, it is 4 minus 3 plus 3 into bracket, delete first row third column, take product of this minus product of this is 3 minus 4, it is equal to 7 minus 3 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1 is equals to 7 minus 3 minus 3 is equal to 7 minus 6 is 1 is not equal to 0. If value of the determinant of A is equal to 0, then A inverse does not exist. If value of the determinant of A is not zero, then A inverse is exist. So here A inverse is exist. Now we proceed to find the value of this by using adjoint method. So first to find cofactor of this matrix A11 is equals to minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1 into M11, means delete the first row first column, minor of this is 4 3 3 4 is equal to plus into bracket 16 minus 9 is 7. Now find A12 is minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2 into minor of M12, delete first row second column, minor of this is 1 3 1 4 is equals to minus into bracket 4 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Now find A13 is equals to minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 3 into minor of this, delete first row third column, minor of this is 1 4 1 3, then value of this is plus into bracket 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So now find A21 is minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 1 into minor of this, delete second row first column, minor of this is 3 3 3 4 is minus into bracket 12 minus 9 is equals to minus 3. So it is A21. Now find A22 is minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 2 into minor of this. Delete second row, second column. Minor of this is 1 3 1 4. It is plus into bracket 4 minus 3 is equals to 1 here. Now find A2 3 is minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 3 into minor of this. Delete second row, third column. Minor of this is 1 3 1 3. It is minus into bracket 3 minus 3 which is equal to 0. Now to find A31 is minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 1 into minor of this. Delete third row, first column. Minor of this is 3 3 4 3. It is plus into bracket 9 minus 12. It is equals to minus 3. Now find A32 is minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 2 into minor of this. Delete third row, second column. Minor of this is 1 3 1 3. It is minus into bracket 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now find A33 is equals to minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 3 into minor of this. Delete third row, third column. Minor of this is 1 3 1 4 is plus into bracket 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. So these are all cofactors of this matrix. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Then now to write the cofactor matrix. So therefore cofactor of matrix A is equal to matrix. So write down the elements. So it is 7 minus 1. Then it is minus 1. Then A21 it is minus 3. A22 it is 1. Then it is 2 3 it is 0. Then it is minus 3 0 1 is your cofactor of matrix A. Now find adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is nothing but it is the transpose of this matrix, cofactor matrix. So what is meant by transpose? Interchanging row as a column, column as a row. So in this matrix 7 minus 1 is the element of first row, but in this matrix it is the element of first column. Means interchange row as a column, column as a row. So it is 0 minus 3 0 1 is your adjoint. Then now we know that formula A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So therefore A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A. Determinant of A is 1 into matrix. It is 7 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. So therefore A inverse is equals to matrix 7 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 1. So is your inverse of matrix. Thank you.